That combination of handcraftship and high level of automation makes us special for the customers. If you can service your customers in this way, then of course your market position gets stronger.
Meat producer ProMessa is a leading supplier in the Dutch food retail sector. Automated intralogistics from production exit to shipping is an important key to their success. The tailor-made solution has been developed by CSB Automation AG.
We are producing for about 7-8 retailers, some general products, but also some customer-specific products. Every product can be ordered per supermarket, per individual consumer package, and our turnover has to be less than 1 day for each product, because then you get the maximum freshness for the customer.
Besides product quality and delivery service, information technology is a key driver of competitiveness. ProMessa is using the CSB system to control and automate its process chain.
We use it on 3 levels. The first level is logistic automation. From the packaging lines, all products are going automatically into the warehouses, will be picked automatically. Labeling, automized expedition. Second level is the production planning, staff planning, product planning, sales forecast, is the ERP system. And the third level is the automized tracking and tracing.
The intralogistics system ensures high productivity, low logistics costs, and maximum flexibility in delivery readiness.
We can quickly respond to higher demand because we can produce and push in the stocks all day. So we see during the day that the sales are higher than expected. Then we do extra product batch for those products. Then there is enough stock again for the orders afterwards, during the evening and sometimes during the night.
With its intralogistics network, ProMessa has taken a big step towards the smart factory. For this, they won the International Food Tech Award in early 2018. Due to the perfect interplay of software and automation technology, the company is able to deliver fresh goods to its customers at any time without having to build up a large stock.
I experience CSB as a very flexible partner. It originated from the beet business, meanwhile also active in other fresh businesses. CSB understands very well our business, our challenges. It's for us the right choice.
Programmed for your success. CSB System.